Hey everybody, it's Jerry. So excited right now. I have just got a package in the mail today. I wasn't expecting to be home till, well, actually tonight. And, you know, I wasn't too far off. But there was a package waiting at my door for me. It is from the Survival Junkie. Right there, Survival Junkie. Oh yeah. And I already know what it is, but you know, I just opened it and thought, shit, I need to do a video. After, this is for you, Survival Junkie, right there. Look there. I got me a Boston shot glass. Oh. Oh. Alright. Like I said, I already know what it is. And I'm really excited. Very, very excited. You know, it doesn't take very much to make me happy. But the Survival Junkie knows how to make Jerry a happy man. Look at this, look at this. Walnut. He sent me a box full of walnut again. He's the man. He works at some kind of a wood shop. I mean, not like this crap I got going on here. An actual wood shop. Doing something. He never told me exactly what he did, what he does, but he can get his hands on some great wood. And get his hands on some wood. Man, I smell that. Smell it. Smell it, damn it. Look how pretty that is. Now, you know, anytime I get walnut, it doesn't matter from who or why or whatever. It's already been marked. Look at there. For turning. You trying to turn some wood, Junkie? Anyway, it doesn't matter who sends it, why they send it, or whatever. My favorite wood is walnut. I like the black walnut. It all smells the same, but I tell you what, that black walnut, especially the burl, the black walnut burl, that is beautiful. And I don't make anything to send out to anybody that is walnut. Who was it? One person. There was one person that I sent a walnut handle ferro rod out to. I can't remember who it was. Damn it. It was for a special reason though. I don't remember what it was either. But hey, there's another piece that's marked. See that? If you take and mark from one corner to the other on both sides, then it's pretty much dead center. Sorry. Mark from one corner to another on both sides, which that's not marked on both sides. Or, I mean, you see for yourself. You know, it's not marked on the corner. I wonder what he was doing. Oh, that's a pretty wood, Junkie. I sure appreciate it. That's marked for something too. Apparently this is all scrap wood from where he works, which is gold to me. You know, one man's trash is another man's treasure, and this is treasure. To me, this is treasure, especially dried out like this. You know, when you get a piece of wood that's dried out like this and it don't have cracks and shit in it, look at there, not a crack one. You can buy stuff from the internet that's supposed to be kiln treated or kiln dried. After a few days, it'll bust. You know, I've had stuff sent to me that who was that? Maybe Redneck, Renegade. I know that he sent me a package of wood, some really beautiful wood. And, you know, the male people, they are terrible here. I can't believe this made it in such great shape, but it was taped up pretty damn good too. The Redneck Renegade sent me some stuff and some wood, and it was just, I mean, the package was beat all to hell, busted open, stuff, pieces of wood missing out of it. Damn, I don't think it was Redneck though that sent me that. Somebody else sent me some wood, and it was just cracked all to pieces. I can't remember who it was though. Look at there, it's another pretty piece. God almighty. Survival Junkie buddy, I sure appreciate you. This is some beautiful stuff. Perfectly dried. You can tell by just the feel of it and the weight that how, you know, it is perfectly fucking dried, dude. It's got paint on the end of it. It's got a nail in it. There. I wonder what that is. Damn it. I hate to cut that up, but I'm going to have to get that out of there. Let me leave that lay here. Here's a couple smaller pieces. A couple smaller pieces. I'm a 0. That is nice. That's perfect for the 1/2-inch ferro rods. Or 5/8. Oh, that's a solid. Look at that one. Damn, you know, look how pretty that is. See, they glue this stuff together. That's what he was telling me a while back. They glue this stuff together, and man, look at that, how pretty. That is beautiful. That's like a small chopping block. Lord, I'd love to have a bigger version of that, about fucking 4 foot by 3 foot. Survival Junkie, buddy. You see this? If you can get me one of these, that is about 4 foot by 3 foot. You just name your price. That is beautiful. Look at how beautiful. Look at that damn grain. Wow. That's black walnut. The regular walnut. That is insanely beautiful. I might have to frame that piece of wood. Wow, that is awesome. That is absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Survival Junkie, buddy. I'm gonna, what we talked about before. Very soon, very, very soon. See, I'm all backed up on, stuff. But by golly, very, very soon. Like I said before, there's only one other person that's ever got anything that's walnut from me. You'll be the second. Anyway, I got to go. Another shot for the junkie. And I'm out of here. Y'all take it easy. Have a great day. Oh my God, before I forget, I got some great news, and it's coming up I don't know if it'll be the next video, but the video after. Great news.